When it comes to subterranean termites, why don't we just use normal insecticides that we buy from supermarkets? The reason is subterranean termites have a central colony, and unless we can give the poison all the way to the central colony, we may not be able to eradicate them. If there is a termite nest inside a tree, the best way is to just flood it with termicide. Now I happen to have a spraying rig, so for me it's easy. I just use this, flood the hole with the chemicals and they die. However, not everybody has got this. The other option is just using a hand spray, but use termicide in it and then flood the hole with this termicide, but then you have to do it a few times because you need to put probably 50 to 150 liters of termicide inside the tree. BASF has made a ready-made foam called Thermidor foam. We Pest Controller also make our own foam. I'll show you how it's done in a minute. Using Thermidor dust or Thermidor foam in order for eradicating subterranean termites is a numbers game. You need to infect 10 to 15% of the entire colony in order for achieving eradication of the whole colony. Okay, when I was inspecting these areas for termites, I had a look at this corner and I saw some termite workings and muddings. And when I used my moisture meter, I realized that it's completely damp. I sent my snake camera in and I saw a big amount of termites, muddings and working. So it's important, if you are working in any area, you make sure there is no live electricity in the wall. Now that I find active live termites around this area, I'm going to use DuPont Altricet to chemically treat them. Now I've got a machine here, it's called a foam maker. So I add a certain amount of DuPont Altricet, and then I add my Thermifoam, and then I show you the foam that we're gonna get and how it's gonna get in. Okay. Give it a little bit of a shake and pump it well. Now our foam is ready. There is termicide in it. It's all set, so I don't need to wear a mask. I don't even need to wear gloves. After I put the Termifoam and I pump it enough, this is the consistency. It's like a shaving cream. And this is what we want to push inside the termites workings, so termites can get infected and pass it on to the rest of the colony. And the reason that we needed like a foam is because then the chemicals spread thoroughly around the termite workings and they don't drip down. They actually feel the termite nest.